Good morning, everyone. So yesterday we discussed about Nmap scanning and net discovery as well, how we can do net discovery and then Nmap scanning. So within the Nmap scanning, we are doing the port scanning. So why exactly we are doing the port scanning? What is the reason behind we doing the port scanning? Yes, today I will be asking more questions. Please try to grasp them and answer them so that you will understand the basic concepts. It will be very easy later when we are using automated tools. So it will be very easy how that automated tools are doing, and also it will be very handy when you are doing interviews. Okay, so why we are doing the port scanning?
to check if the others are available or not.
Yeah, that ports are available or not. So
Yeah.
what does if a port is open? We got so in the scan. I think I restarted this machine. So what does it means when a port is open? So you got a scan, you did scan, and then the port is open. You got that result. Okay. So yesterday we got port SSH, sorry, port 22 or 21 is open. So what does that mean? Our port 80 is open.
They're available to connect.
Yes, they are available to connect, and so I will let you know. I will tell you. So if a port is open, that means a service is running on that. That service numbers port is that number is that port number. Okay, so a service is running on that server or a computer, and and the number for that service is this port number. Okay, so try to understand like that. So when a website is running like this, I'm just going through Gigs for Gigs website. Okay, for 50 common ports, you should know. Okay, so what does it mean? Where it is running on some server, right? So that I'm able to ping this www.geeksforgeeks.org, and then I'm trying to pull this file. I'm trying to go into this folder. I'm trying to pull this file. Okay, this is a file actually. This is a HTML file. Okay, so where is that file? Within this folder, 50 common ports and ports you should know. Okay, where this folder is? This folder is in Geeks for Geeks server, Geeks for Geeks server, and where it is exactly running is it is running on HTTPS. What is the port number for HTTPS?
143, 443.
443, right? Okay, so for if it is HTTP, it is only 80. So just remember, you have to remember this blindly. So at least top 50, the most 50 significant ports that are being used, right? So at least try to remember this. These are the you'll see day in and out these port numbers. So and also you'll see more random port numbers as well, just like 80, 80, 1595. So something like that. Okay. You will see random ports as well. So we can build our own service, just like what to say, IMAP 4. So I can create one more service called as Kamal 4, and then I can assign a number just like 1043. So this is 143, that is 1043. So that's okay. I mean, I can create my own ports as well, and I can assign my own ports. So I have 65535 port numbers I do have. So yesterday I have given some work. Also I have created this folder, guys. And I didn't mention to you. So here assignment submission, right? So just let me know within that folder whether you are able to access this folder or not. Otherwise, I will check with Naveen and give you permissions but to the whole folder of assignment submission. So everyone can go review other folders as well, and then go check them what they have did after doing the assignments. So that this is called the peer review. So we do this exactly in the testing as well. Okay, so we get the report, we will give it to our peers, so they will check it, they get the report, they will give it to us, we will check that. Okay, so this is a mutual understanding between the team. So we are going to work as a team here till the end of this training. Okay, till end of this training, we are going to work as a team. So you guys can communicate between each other, okay, and then work on the reports that I am assigning to you. So report writing is one of the most important, and that's a least importance given any other trainings. But I would like to give reporting the most priority, not the least priority. I'm going to give the most priority for reporting. So that's why I have given you uh, a task yesterday. Did you guys finish that? I mean, you didn't place in this folder, but at least, did you guys do the assignment which I have given?
I did run ping,
Yeah.
but uh, when I run ping from Kali to Metasploitable,
Uh-huh.
it has to stop at one point, right? After running,
No, it
it's
should
not
not.
stopping. Like it's going on, continuing, like giving the 64 bytes from 10 to 10 0
Right, right,
point
right,
to
right, right.
15 and so on.
So got it. So that is the behavior of Linux. So when I do it in my Windows, okay, when I do it in my Windows, it will stop for four pings. Okay, it will stop for four pings. Let us do ping google.com. Okay, so it will stop after four. But in Linux, it don't stop after four. Let me open a terminal. Okay, ping google.com. It don't stop after four. So that is the behavior. Actually, we discussed this earlier as well. But yeah, that's not a problem. So this is the exact behavior of Linux. So if you want to stop it, you have to press Control C. So if you want to come out of any command which is running on live, okay, you have to press Control C. Okay, just remember the shortcuts. Or else, if you are trying, right, when you are trying, if you are stuck at any point of time, just Google that. Still today, everybody does that. Okay, even I do when I am stuck. Even yesterday, we are stuck at one point. So I know we have to select NAT network, but I don't have any NAT network. So, I was searching for that, and then fortunately, I got some result to create an NAT network. Okay, so to create an NAT network, I don't know where to create it. So then I researched it again. Then I found it somewhere. You can create it on network settings on VirtualBox. So we are going like that. So apart from that, did you guys try Nmap? Nmap commands that I have given this cheat sheet, right? Oh, did I give
After
this
I
cheat sheet?
did run this ping,
Yeah.
I didn't understood like to close that one
Okay.
or not.
Okay. So you are stuck here. So in that case, right, if you are stuck at any point of time, just go restart the machine itself, or else close this and open this. You would have done that. Or else, yeah. Okay. There are multiple ways. Uh, we can close this, right?
May I share the screen once?
Yes. Yes, please. Yes, please.
So yeah. So I have given 10.0.2.15. It's been like
Okay.
back 15 minutes ago, but it's
Mm-hmm.
still going on running.
Press Control C. Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Or else you
Oh,
can close this window, or else you can open a new window. Now open a new terminal. Just put ping something, ping that IP, ping space that IP. Yeah, you can give right arrow to finish that. Just ping if it is the same command, right? If you give right arrow, it will finish that command. So there's the shortcuts you have to get in. You
okay.
know, frequently you will be using that. So and also if you want to open a new terminal again, you can press the terminal icon again. So it will open you another terminal. So if you want to
Okay.
keep this running, sometimes you want to ping two servers at the same time.
Mhm.
Then you can just have multiple windows running at the same time. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Also, there is one more shortcut. So whenever you can't see this small text, you can press Control plus plus or Control minus minus to increase the size and decrease the size respectively. So just press Control plus plus, Control plus plus. No? Yeah. So likewise, we can increase the size as well. So,
Okay.
you can have multiple shortcuts, research on yourself. What about Nmap, guys? Others, Bala, um, did you do did you do Nmap? Because that is very important.
Yeah, Kamal, yesterday a little bit of confused at that there.
Yeah, where are you confused? I mean, I want to clear
This
this concept first. Yeah.
up to port topic is okay, but Nmap cheat sheet I can't
Right.
understand.
Okay. So, what does this command do? I mean, nmap hyphen p 23 172 1.1. So, what does this command do? You can explain in your own terms, own words, and then let me correct you. I mean, nothing wrong telling wrong answers. Okay. So, let me correct you. So, yeah, please go ahead.
Sorry, please.
Uh, this nmap hyphen p 23. This one. This first example is there, right?
Port number 23 is there. IP address
Yeah. So, what exactly we are
172
doing
dot.
with this command? What exactly we are doing on this?
We are making a connection for port
Uh,
23.
yes, kind of. There is one step forward again, So we are not only making a connection, okay, we will break the connection as well. And again, so our end result here for with Nmap is we are checking whether port number 23 is open or not. So likewise, what we are doing on second syntax here on Nmap hyphen p 23 to 100.
Checking the range 23 to 100 ports like
Exactly.
which
On
are open.
Exactly. Okay. So we are trying to see whether in between port number 22 to 1000 is open or not. Okay, 22 to 23 to 1000, sorry, 100 is open or not. So here we are doing UDP and TCP different port times at the same time. So this is for TCP, this is UDP. Okay, whether we are checking whether UDP port 110 is open, TCP 23 to 25 are open, 443 is open, so something like that. Okay, so we don't do like this port scan. Usually we don't do like this. We will be doing either UDP or TCP. Okay, so if you are not mentioning anything, so that will by default it will take TCP. If you are mentioning P and then U, capital U, we are specifically mentioning, okay, implicitly mentioning we are doing UDP scan. Okay, so and what is meant by hyphen P hyphen dash P dash?
Hyphen P is port.
Yeah, hyphen P is port, and again we are giving hyphen. What does that mean?
0 to 255 ports.
No, 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 no. You are correct. You are correct from zero is correct. And what is the last port number I will be getting? So how many port numbers I have? Yesterday you answered it, Sandhya.
65535.
Exactly. It scans from port number 0 to 65535 for this host, the whole system itself. Okay. So all ports it is going to scan. So whether this is going to scan TCP or UDP.
TCP.
Exactly. By default, it will take TCP. So if you are, mentioning hyphen PU, then it is going to, do the UDP scan. Okay. So here we can give directly, okay, specified protocols as well. So what is HTTP protocol? HTTPS protocol IP, sorry, port number
443.
443.
443. What is port number for SMTP? It is 25 if I'm not wrong. SMTP.
25, right?
25.
25, right? Okay, 25 is a port number for SMTP. Okay, so try to remember this. Actually, before I was a network security engineer, so I used to remember almost all the ports and protocol because there I have to create some rules. Okay, policies I have to create, and then day in and out I will be getting more requests, at least 20 to 30 requests based on the port numbers only. I have to allow these port numbers. Okay, I have to allow these port numbers from source to destination. So that used to be my work for whole 1 year. So I used to remember everything. Now I forget few. That's human tendency. Uh, yeah. Again, let's go back here. Uh, what were we discussing? Yeah, Nmap cheat sheet. So likewise, I wanted you to understand, analyze yourself, and then
So, just for understanding,
yeah,
if I want
please.
to run this syntax by
Uh-huh.
keeping like uh, nmap
Yeah,
hyphen p in
yeah,
place of 23, I can change whatever like ports I want, right?
right. With a comma separated. If you want to give multiple, you have to separate it with a comma. Okay. Otherwise,
Okay. So here in the
if you
first
want to give,
one,
yeah,
it is nmap
yeah,
space hyphen p hyphen
yeah,
23. So this 23 is for particular port number, right?
right, right, right,
So
right.
for SMTP, as you said, it's 25. So in
Yeah,
place of 23, if I want for SMTP, I need to give 25 and IP address.
exactly, exactly. You can give the protocol name as well, or else port number as well. So it's up to you. So
Okay.
what is 23 again here? So you can give, instead of giving 23, you can give telnet as well.
Okay.
Okay. So also I suggest you guys to see what is this. You know what is HTTP and what is HTTPS. They are web application protocols. But most of the time, and also going through each and everything, it's very difficult. This is a task for you. This is task for you. So go ahead, just see what is echo. Echo is ping, FTP, file transfer protocol. So why that is used. So what is underlying in between that. Just go through that whenever you are free. Whenever you are free, so that your knowledge will be increased. Your basics will be very strong. Okay. So that's a task for you. And yeah. So here. Uh, we will go through few more commands here, and then I will leave it to you. For at least you have a whole weekend, Saturday and Sunday. You can go through each and every command, and then uh, you can go through each and every command and see the output, how it is differing from other outputs. Okay, how it is differing from other outputs. So yesterday I explained you what are the TCP flags. So here we have I think, yeah, 5 TCP flags. One is ACK, SYN, SYNACK. So SYNACK, we are sending both PIN, urgent, push, RST. So the one is missing here. It didn't show RST. So RST is reset. So yesterday we discussed reset. So we didn't discuss these 3 flags earlier. So fin means, after you're talking, you're telling bye. I called Bala. Bala said hi. I said hello. We talked for some time and we said bye, bye. Okay, so that is fin. And if 3 people are talking, let's say me, Bala, and Arm are talking, and then Bala want to talk something very urgent. Okay, Bala want to talk something very urgent. So he's telling that Kamal, Kamal, I want to talk to you. Kamal, Kamal, I want to talk to you. So something like that. Okay, so that is urgent. Push is something very very similar to that. So when we are doing the scanning, so it is almost, let us assume as of now these two are same. Okay. Uh, for now, these two are same, and then I will explain you in live when we are doing the scan. Okay, what is urgent and how it is different from push as well. So these are the 6 flags that we have. Okay, RST flag also here it is missing. So keep that as keep that as well. Okay, and what did I miss in our earlier sessions? Yeah, mostly that's it. So any doubts so far, guys? If you didn't understand this commands cheat sheet or anything, did I share this cheat sheet with you?
No.
Oh, I'm sorry. You would have asked me. This is local. One second. I will upload to the documents session. Did I do it already? One second. No, it is not there. I will upload it to this folder. Please go through that. Okay, you have access to the whole folder, right? if I'm not wrong. Did you check this, this folders, PPTs,
I
etc.?
think we have not shared this access to the audience, Kamal. Once you upload it, just I think we can provide to them.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, you want me to share file by file, or let's allow
Oh, you can.
to the whole
No,
folder?
you can share all the files up to the
Yeah,
class. Okay.
yeah.
Okay. So that's
Cool.
why I've created this learning materials folder as well.
Yeah,
But yeah, we forgot to upload those. So once you upload it, do let me know so that I can share to all the people in our batch.
yeah, sure. So, one second. I'll just upload it right now. Okay, yeah, thank you. So it will be here. This file will be shared with you guys. Okay, cool. So go through that cheat sheet, and also you can prepare your own cheat sheet, guys. Okay, your own cheat sheet. So my favorite command yesterday I told you. Okay, my favorite command is I will just give one single IP, or /24, which gives 255 IP addresses. But so why I'm going with -a, even still it is slow, is it gives more output for me. Okay, more detailed output for me. So that is nmap. Okay, nmap. So tell me the command now. Guide me to scan my weak server. So you tell me the command now. So I want everything you, okay, nmap to do everything for me. So what is the command then, guys?
Nmap space
Yeah, yeah.
-p
Once again, yeah. Okay, -p
-10.0.
10 dot. No, before that I have to give one more option as well. So I said I want everything to be scanned by my nmap. So I can wait for some time. So that's my favorite command because it gives me more output. So with nmap -h, let me show you. So here it is doing what all scans it is doing for me. Uh, 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 it is doing OS detection for me. Okay, it is doing OS detection. It is doing script scan as well. It is doing we have some default scripts. It will run default scripts as well. Okay, so and service scan it is doing, and version scan it is doing. By default it will do the port scanning. So that's the main purpose we are using. So like that many scans it is doing. So first of all, before going there, right? So we have to select. Let me increase the size for you. Okay, we have to select nmap. Okay, what type of
Hyphen
scan we
H
are doing?
hyphen
Hyphen S capital
H.
T or S capital S. So this will give me that since sorry, TCP scan. So either ST or SS. Okay, hyphen small s capital S, or smallest capital T. Okay, so that will give me a TCP scan for me, and then I'm giving all the ports. Okay, -p -p dash, and then what I have to give? I have to give how much speed it have to do. Okay, by default it will take T4 itself, but yeah, mentioning that doesn't make any harm. Okay, so what else I have to give? What did I forget? How much speed I have told? What is the type of that scan I have told? What are the ports you have to scan I have told? What is missing then? What is missing? IP address 10.0.2.4, 2.4 or 2.15 is the
24.
IP. Let me check the IP address. I forgot.
Slash 0 by /24.
No, that scans the whole the network, this network itself. So it will scan from 10.0.2.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. 255 IPs. I want to scan only my weak server. Let me see what is the IP. Let me see ifconfig. Yeah, the IP address is correct. IP address is correct. Okay. So you are requesting a scan type which requires root privileges quitting. So what does that mean?
Need to go root user.
So how can I go to root user?
At sudo user.
Sudo su. Okay, sudo super user. Okay.
Yes.
So I have to give the password. I'm giving the password. Then I'm going to the root user. Now I can run this command. Okay, now I can run this command. So 1 second, I will just copy paste it.
Up arrow is working.
No, here up arrow is not working because this I have done on Kali user and this is root user. So that don't work. Yeah, I hate that part. Yeah, good catch, Bala. Okay, 1 second. Yeah. Oh, what is this? Instead, I would have typed by now. Yeah. Okay. So, what did it go? Where did it went wrong?
It's a small t, I think.
No, no.
Need to
Try
change
to
the
analyze.
size, like speed.
No. So T4 is correct. So there is small syntax mistake. There is small syntax mistake. So whenever you are stuck at any point of time, what did I tell you? What did
Go
I
to
tell you?
help.
Help.
Go to help. So guide me how to find it in help. Where did I miss my syntax? So I'm just trying you guys to analyze by yourself how to uh, when you are stuck at some point, how to troubleshoot that. Okay. So just tell me where it is. So here there is timing, some timing section. Yeah, timing and performance. So here it is giving me hyphen T 0 to 5. So what did we miss there?
Hyphen.
Exactly, exactly.
Zero
We missed
hyphen.
hyphen. Yeah. Okay. Hyphen T. So no, not zero hyphen. It's just 1 second. Yeah, it is taking now. Okay. I just press up arrow. I don't know what happened there. So it is hyphen T4. So also when you are giving options, it should change the color to this different color. Okay. And map this is blue. I don't know what is this color. Okay. It's kind of some green, light green, or what is this? Okay. I don't know. Okay. But here it should change the color when you are giving options. So when you are giving the data, it should be in white color. Apart from that, it should be in different color. Okay. Now options should change the color, and the command should also be in this command. Sorry, this color. Otherwise, you are giving something wrong. Okay, you are doing something wrong. So beforehand, you can check this whether you are giving the right syntax or not. Even before getting the output. So here I didn't get any output here. Now I am doing only the port scan. So we missed one more thing as well. Okay, we missed one more thing. I will get similar to this output again. What is that? What I'm missing? I wanted everything. Okay, I wanted output to be maximum output that I can collect. What is the option that I can give to do all the port scanning, uh, operating system scanning, version scanning? So everything if I want to give, if I want to get at once, what is a command that I missed?
Zero slash hyphen.
No, no. So yesterday also we discussed. So I want to do A scan, hyphen A scan. So this hyphen A will help me. Okay, this hyphen A will help me to do all this port scanning, all this operating detections, all it will run some scripts as well, script scanning. Okay, so this version scanning it will do. Okay, port detection. Anyways, we are doing now. Okay, like that we have to add hyphen a as well. Okay, we have to add hyphen a as well. So we are waiting for we it is 80% done. So I'm just pressing down arrow to see what is the progress. Okay, so now it is 80% done, 88% done. Let us see the output. So we just because we are giving all the ports 0 to 65535, okay, 65535, we are getting this result. So if it is taking so much time and we are doing the stealth scan. Okay, so we are doing the stealth scan. And now I'm going to do, I will just remove this hyphen p dash and then I'm going to add hyphen a in place of that and I'm pressing enter. Okay, so it will take some time. It will give clear output, guys. It will give clear output. So I love this command. Okay, so whenever I'm doing for a single IP, I'm not worried about my time. So I can wait for 2 to 3 minutes so that I can gather more information. More information means the easier it become to hack. Okay, so even with the help of this information only, I will, try to gain access of this without even a password. Okay, we are going to get the shell of this. Shell means the command prompt of this weak server without even a password in the upcoming classes. Monday we will do that. We call it as reverse shell, bind shell. Shell means the command. Okay, the command prompt. So with this information itself. Also, one more homework for you guys. I wanted, I want you to prepare. I want you to prepare how many types of scannings are there in Nmap. Scanning types. Guys, nowadays in the realm of artificial intelligence and machine learning, so doing assignments is very, very, very easy. Earlier, it used to be very difficult. We have to find a very good site for, gathering this information and preparing the notes. But it is very easy. Straight away, ask ChatGPT. You leverage the ChatGPT, or even you can ask within your mobile. I mean, you know, Meta in your WhatsApp. So it is giving very good answers. Exactly. Even now I'm using for anything where I'm stuck, I'm using to gather more information. I'm using ChatGPT. So please, uh, you know, uh, get in pace with AI and ML realm. Okay. Scanning types. And I told you like we have flags. What are these flags? So this is first. I mean, let me write it here. So what are the TCP flags? And their use cases. Okay, TCP flags and use cases. Scanning types. So this have some relation with this scanning types. So based on these flags only, the scanning types are varying. Scanning types are varying. You have TCP scan, UDP scan, FIN scan, okay, XMAX scan. So you do it. You do your own research. So there are multiple additional types are also there. So I want this file by Monday. Okay, so you have your own time. I mean, you have the whole weekend, 2 days time. Today also you have the whole day. I respect your timings as well, but find some time to do the assignments as well. Okay, yeah. Any doubts so far? And I pasted that Nmap cheat sheet as well. So this is the homework for you guys. So with this you can, yeah, please.
We can't open this cheat sheet.
So what is it showing? Are you
Like
getting any error?
your file couldn't be accessed.
Okay, so that means you don't have the permission. Uh, uh, Naveen and I will work on that. We will give the access to whole
Okay.
folder. Okay, so that you can access any file in that rather than I will
Post
just,
this class, I will share this
yeah.
material to them.
Thank you so much, Naveen.
Okay.
Cool. Uh, any other doubts, guys? So with Nmap, what we are doing on which stage we are in?
First stage.
So what is the first stage? reconnaissance or information gathering? So whenever I'm saying here scanning, right? So that means we are just scanning for the information. We are not scanning for the vulnerabilities. Okay, we are scanning for the information. So whatever the information, with that information, we will go to the next stage. Okay, with that information, we will go to the next stage. Okay, and we have two types of information gathering. One is passive information gathering, and one is active information gathering. Just guess whether we did passive or active now.
Passive.
Mm, how, like, what is your thought process behind that answer? Passive.
Because we may not like ping to the active connection.
Mm,
We may not have
actually,
the active.
actually, we are doing that, right? So with the Nmap, so Nmap is continuously pinging for all the port numbers. So let's say this is my IP 10.0.2.4. So it is trying for 0 port on port number 0, port number 1, port number 2, port number 3. So till 65535 ports it is scanning. That means it is going and checking whether it is there or not. So actually your thought process is good. I mean, you just said we are not going. It is actually we are going. Okay, so that is active. Okay, active. So yesterday we did something passive. We didn't go there actually. What was that? We did ARP scan.
Yeah.
What is the other thing we did? Net discover. Okay. So with this, we are able to find at least what is the IP. I mean, what are the IP address within that uh, associated subnet. Okay, what are the IP address which are associated within that subnet? So we are not actually going and pinging that IP address actually. Okay, that is passive. We are just gathering some information. That is passive information gathering. So the active information gathering we are doing in Nmap. So similarly, when you are doing so, this this is your network and you can't find anything on the internet about this server because this is your home network. Okay, this is your home lab setup. Okay, this is your personal. But when you are doing assessments for public IP address or public websites, so how you can how you can passively gather the information. So let's say I want to do uh, assessments for tesla.com. So what are the informations I can get? So I want to see your thought process. That's it. I'm not expecting any answers. So we have long way to go till here. Yep. What all information I can gather here. So you tell me, Bala, so just by, they will just give this name actually, tesla.com. So what I can gather first? First thing first, what I can gather? Very easily, what I can gather.
Model.
The company
Sorry.
products and details, which is the manufacturing details.
Uh, I mean, the car manufacturing details or the
No, the whole company which is manufacturing and which is the details of company details.
okay. You mean who is developing this website, right?
No.
Okay.
The Tesla company, what is manufacturing their vehicles or
Okay,
models?
okay. So that is a functionality of the website. I mean, now we have MS Consultancy website. So we are, posting some job opportunities, whatever the services that we provide. So that is a
Yes.
content in that website. So we as a security engineers, we are not worried about the content. Okay, we as a security engineers, we are not worried about the content. So web developers and the other teams are there, right? So they will design, we have to test it. So first thing first, we can gather the IP address of this tesla.com. Okay, so IP address, what protocol it is running on?
HTTPS.
HTTPS again. So guys, with the IP address where for what it will be associated to?
443.
No, yeah, I mean the port number is 443 HTTPS. Okay, that means 443. An IP address is associated with that, right? I mean, Tesla.com.
Yeah.
How you can find the IP address?
Ping
How
with
you
the
can?
Tesla.
Sorry.
Tesla.com.
What is the command?
Ping space
Ping.
Tesla.com.
We can do that. We can do that. It will give the IP address, but actual command to find the IP address is nslookup.
In this
Okay,
lookup. Okay.
nslookup tesla.com. So it is giving all the IP address which are associated. Here it is only giving one IP address. Okay, it is only giving one IP address, which is CF. So CF is there here, but why I am getting so many IP address with tesla.com? So any thought process here? Just give me wrong answers, guys. I want answers. I will correct you. No worries. No one is going to judge you here.
These many
Exactly.
lines
Yeah,
are
please.
open.
No. Yeah. Other guess.
It's using
I
many
will
countries,
explain.
and that's why explaining different IP addresses.
Yeah, could be any other guesses. Yeah, this is 80-90% correct. Yeah, other guesses.
Tesla
So
company have
guys,
a companies their
yeah.
Subnet.
Subnet, no. Yeah, you're right
sorry
almost.
DNS.
Okay. Yeah, DNS server. So what it is doing is, so whenever I'm giving tesla.com, it has to be routed to my server. Tesla is not small company, right? So the
Yeah.
data will be stored in multiple servers. Okay, multiple servers. Here comes the concept of load balancing. Okay, load balancer or load balancing. So this is a server, load balancing server. What it will do is its work is the simple work. Whenever I ask this IP, okay, whenever I ask tesla.com something, okay, tesla.com something, it has to go to any one of these server. Let's say Tesla have 3 servers, any one of these server, and it, give the response for my request. I'm asking tesla.com, it is going to this server one, it will give the response to me. Okay, give the response to me, Kamal. And if this is very busy assigning, providing request to Kamal, and suddenly Bala came. Okay, Bala came, and server one is busy. Now server two is free. Okay, server two is free. So likewise, it will balance the load actually. So we have round robin means first request, second request, third request, fourth request go here, fifth request, sixth request, seventh request, eighth request, ninth request. It will, on rotation it will do, or else, based on the load it can do. It can assign like 1,000 requests at a time. First 1,000 it will go here, second 1,000 it will go here, third 1,000 it will go here. So based on that load balancer settings, it will balance the load. So this is a good concept. I mean, we can focus on. Yeah, not part of our hacking, but very good to know. Okay,
It's Kubernetes
we
topic. DApps.
yeah. I mean, Kubernetes also we have load balancers. We have physical load balancers as well. I can use my laptop or your laptop as a load balancer. Okay, so load balancer is a service. That's it. We can use in Kubernetes. We can use in Docker. You can use anywhere. I mean, AWS have its own load balancer. ALB AWS load balancer they will call, I guess, if I'm not wrong. In Azure also they have Azure load balancers. Uh, okay, so what they will do is they will balance the load here and there, and also how many IPs they have. They have bought all the IPs and they have assigned to this Tesla.com. Okay, this Tesla.com, they have assigned all the IPs. Any IP that is resolved based on the geolocation, it will resolve based on, the availability of that IP, it will resolve because they are expecting more and more traffic to Tesla.com. So that's why they are assigning this many IPs to single domain name. Domain name is Tesla.com. Okay. And they might have subdomains as well. All these IP addresses are assigned to this domain. And why only here the ping is taking one IP address? Because when I'm pinging, I'm directly pinging something. Okay, that is one IP out of this is getting assigned to me. Okay, 212 F9B 212 36 CF. Here 33, 34, where is 36 CF? Yeah, here 35 CF. Where is 36? Yeah, 35. First itself it is there. Okay, so it is taking this IP address. If this IP is busy, if this IP is not available, this IP is gone. Okay, so some disaster has happened. So it will take next IP or some other IP, 37 CF, 32 CF, whatever it is available, it will take that. Okay, so likewise, I would suggest whenever you are doing DNS enumeration, I mean DNS information gathering, I would suggest using NS lookup rather than ping. But that's a good idea. Like we can find the IP address with ping as well. If we as a small organization, we will go with the single IP. We are not expecting more traffic. When we are not expecting more traffic, buying that many IPs are become very costly. If you have money, that's okay. You can assign n number of IPs to you based on how much net worth you have. Okay. But yeah, coming back to our concept. So that is passive information gathering. So IP address we can gather. What else we can gather? What else we can gather? We will go there when we are doing web application penetration testing. So we will gather a lot of information passively. Okay, we will gather a lot of information passively. And also, guys, did you ever see hacking movies? What is the concept of tailgating? You might have known tailgating. What is tailgating, guys? Normal in your offices, you would have listened, right? You would have heard this word. What is tailgating? So
Going closely
going.
to.
Yeah, going behind someone without any authorization. Just there is a door. Bala have permission to go inside, enter into the door. Okay, Bala have permission, but I'm just hiding behind Bala and then going inside without any ID card or access card. Okay, so that is tailgating. So I will just go inside. I will just see how the network is designed. I mean, where are the devices are there. So that is physical information gathering. How the location is set up. So small information also will come into handy. We are not going and doing this. I'm just explaining the thought process behind the information gathering. Okay, so we will not be going inside any office and doing these mysterious things, but I'm just providing you the thought process. Okay, so like that also we'll do physical assessments. We will do like we will fly a drone and then we can do the physical assessment. I mean how the office setup is there, and whether is tailgating is possible or not. Okay, so how the offices are segregated. I mean the servers are placed in a secure room or not. So if you have access to the server room, it's very critical devices, right? So you should not have access to the server room. So there are a lot of things that we will check in the information gathering. Okay. So any doubts so far?
No.
Yeah, cool. This is a homework for you guys. I would like to wind up little early today. Have a happy weekend, but as a teacher, like I want you guys to work on this too. Okay, TCP flags. Okay, TCP flags. And while you are doing the TCP flag, please go through TCP handshake as well. TCP three-way handshake, which we explained multiple times. I mean, since SINAC Act. Okay, that's a mostly asked, most frequently asked interview question. Even I ask everyone, there are two types of handshaking, TCP and TLS. So for now, you learn TCP. So TLS is something critical, TLS or SSL handshake. So I will explain this later when we are talking about cryptographic concept. Cryptographic concept, we are going here as well. So these two are damn sure interview questions while I take interviews. Okay, and yeah, TCP flags are also very important. Scanning types. So no one asked this question directly, what are the scanning types? But if you want to do the scanning, it's very important. Guys, also, we have two types of vulnerability management. I mean, we can do vulnerability management or vulnerability assessment, two types. One is automated, one is manual. Automated, most of the companies will be doing automated only. They will be having tools. They will get set of IP address or the list of IP address, or they will just scan the subnet. Okay, tools will give detailed vulnerability scanning report also you don't have to do. You just have to collect the report, configure this automated tools, and then configure these automated tools and collect the reports and provide it to the responsible team. Guys, I will show you maybe next week. Yeah, we will install more tools. Okay, next week we will install more tools. Even small kids can do this. Okay, maybe 10th class kids or +1 +2 kids can do this, but we have to learn this. You will not be going to do this, but you have to learn this, because if you know this, you can analyze how it is doing and what is happening in the automated tool. Okay, so that's why I am going in depth like this, explaining you small meanings as well, so that you will understand the basics of manual testing. So we are doing the manual penetration testing or manual assessments. We will be doing automated as well. Within one class, I can complete 2 to 3 tools. Okay. Installing might take little time. I will just give the recordings for installation, but explaining the tools is very easy, guys. So if you know the application, tools using automated tools is, piece of cake. Okay. So we are going to learn manual. We will learn more manual techniques, so that your mindset will change and not go to automated tools, in the first hand itself. So it's like learning Python before learning C or Java. So Python is very easy. It's like talking in English, if I'm not wrong. If you know the logic, it's more or less, if you know the syntaxes, it's more or less talking in English. In C language, you have to do a printf, blah, blah, blah stuff, %d, something like that. Even I forgot that, I got addicted to Python nowadays. In Python, it's just, yeah, print something. That's it. So that's very easy. I can compare that, the automated tools with this manual tools there. Okay, have a nice day. Have a nice weekend, guys. So do the assignments. Please don't neglect that. Do your own research as well on top of my lectures. Also, I will provide you whenever I see some useful links. I will provide you the links as well in the group, or else I will post it here in this OneDrive. Yeah. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye.